Hi, mga kabahay. Naghahanap ka ba ng single attached or townhouses dito sa Rizal? Well, we have the Treveo Residences located in Gitnang Bayan, San Mateo, Rizal. Here in Treveo, it is nearby in San Mateo New Public Market, Alpomart Municipal Hall, San Mateo Medical Center, SM San Mateo, Pure Gold Banaba, and near in Quezon City and Marikina City. Treveo residences have two-story complete finished townhouses, a minimum lot of 51 square meter and up, a floor area of 86 square meter and up. They have a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, consists of living area, dining area, kitchen area, service area, and of course, the 1 to 2 parking garage with complete amenities. The price range starts at 5 million and up, all inclusive but no miscellaneous fee. Only reservation of 30,000. So what are you waiting for? Invest na here at Troveo Residences, developed by Taylor's Made. This is me, Cheryl Labiaga Escarpe, at your service. Thank you.